Internal PC communication failing because of the Uninstall Explorer DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Before we begin the manual steps for Uninstall Explorer, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Uninstall Explorer, the Uninstallation Shell Extension module. It handles the unmanaged cleanup of shell integrated resources during a software removal process. It specifically manages the deletion of localized context menu entries, icon cache associations, and registry-based file type handlers. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including Uninstallexplorer.dll. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Uninstall Explorer component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Installing an unverified version of Uninstall Explorer DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Uninstall Explorer. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Uninstall Explorer today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.